Hello guys, good morning. How's it going? Hope everyone is doing good today. Oh man, we got a rainy day. Finally, it's here. So glad that we enjoyed our nice sunny day yesterday. It's gonna be a fun one today, guys. Have we been doing pasta grannies on Sundays now, I think? Okay, so first things first that we're gonna do is make our pasta dough. And then that only has to rest for like half an hour to 1 hour, but minimum 30 minutes. And then we're not really rolling today. We're doing like hand formed things. So we don't even have to get the rolling machine out. Okay, pasta dough, then rest it. I think that we can do our basil sauce in the blender while our pasta dough is resting. We have some squash going into this today. So nice orange colors. I think we have some sun gold tomatoes, kind of last of the season from outside. Okay, squash, sun gold tomatoes. That's pretty much it for the pasta sauce. Kind of let the pasta speak for itself when we're taking all the time to make it by hand. And then our fish, so sablefish, guys, also known as black cod. And this is a nice fatty white fish. It is quite expensive, so yeah, this is sort of a treat for us. I always feel like whenever we eat sablefish, it's a treat. And yeah, what we're gonna do with those little portions, I think we have 2 little 4-ounce portions with the skin on still, is we are going to chop up some fresh herbs, get some lemon zest and juice, and also some butter and white wine, I'm gonna say. So all of those things together are super good with fish. Okay, pasta dough time. So here it is one more time. I'll hold it up. Everything's in grams beside the eggs there. It's not 185 whole eggs. So I showed this for judo yesterday, if you guys want to write it down. 500 grams of AP flour, 185 grams of whole egg, 125 grams of yolk, pinch of salt, probably 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Last one, love. Gotta get that love in there. If you make that whole thing, you're gonna get like 6 good sized bowls of pasta from that. Hey guys, so here's our fish all packed up with, we spread an herb and garlic compound butter on top of it after we seared it up on the flesh side. So it's like a little bit golden brown on the top. Spread the butter on it. We surrounded it with chopped dill and scallions, as well as lemon zest and juice, and a little bit of white wine to steam in there. Oh yeah, reading 300. That's happy. Okay. I usually just use this little guy. Yeah. Look at that one in the center though. That is a happy piece of charcoal. Every time I light the egg, guys, I feel like I get better and better at making fires. This is gonna come in handy in the future. It's a good life skill to have. Couple more minutes. So we'll just watch. So there we go. I can't wait. I think that's the right way. Maybe we'll do it this way to start, just for better air circulation or airflow. And heck if we overcook this fish. Nope. Don't want that. Okay, I'm smelling scallions right now. As soon as I walked outside. Whoa! We got a package. It might be done. This actually looks amazing right now. Do we want to put our head on this pillow? I don't think so because it's really hot. But it is inviting. Gently open up our nice package that we made. Just in case we gotta package it back up. And yes, we are cooking outside in the rain today. Whoa! Those are completely done, and that looks absolutely amazing, guys. I don't think it's overcooked either, just judging by the texture. Like, the bones are just kind of starting to pop, and it's just starting to flake. That's kind of the key points for cooking sablefish. So I'm just gonna slide that right onto my pie pan here. And those can basically just rest out while we finish the pasta. I'm gonna try and keep all that sauce and juice in with it too. Yes, guys. Man, that looks good. Shut it down. Top and bottom are closed. Okay, I want this to stay warm. So let's not like pack it up tight. But I definitely want it to stay warm while we cook the pasta. Okay, let's go over. This is ready to go. So I guess I'll just leave the fish there. I think the first one I want to cook is the Trofie for our dish. So that's this one. This took us, what did this take us, chat? Like 45 minutes to get this small amount of noodles. And we already blanched the squash in this water. If you guys are wondering, why is the water like kind of yellow? We blanched the squash for the pasta in the water. This is gonna be a super quick cook time. I think I'm actually gonna drop the squash back in just to heat it through. Okay, noodles are floating. That's kind of an indication that they are finishing up. So I'm gonna just drop enough of this blanched kabocha squash for that amount of pasta. A good couple spoonfuls, splitting it with salmon. All right, Ed, thank you for popping by with that raid. Take care of yourself, man, and yeah, it was great to see you. Always good to try a noodle too. I like mine al dente, so I'm gonna do 30 more seconds on there. It's got like a little bit of bite still. Yeah, the pot started to bloom. Not the best trophy, but also not the worst. Heirloom tomatoes, because we need our veggies too, right guys? This one might be a touch hard to mix in, but we'll see. This basil cream sauce hardened up quite a bit, but I'm gonna scoop it underneath here in a sec. And the residual heat should start to like melt it, right? This is like a pesto that is emulsified with cheese, I would say. It's got all your typical pesto ingredients, and then at the end she adds like a soft, fresh Italian cheese that looked super similar to like a cream cheese. And then as well as like pecorino, or what we did was Asiago. So good though. Well, that made short work of that. And that looks delicious. Smells really good too. Okay, we want to do this quick while it's still warm. And I will say, so going from her vibrant green pesto that she made, this is definitely nowhere near as vibrant, but heck. That's good. I like the buttery squash in it. The creaminess from the cheeses too. And then like the bite from the fresh basil. I'm liking this. Hello, little fishes. Quickly take our bones out. If you can pull the bones out with ease, you did good, guys, with the sablefish. And yeah, just be careful, guys, because you might miss a bone or two. So just know that as you're eating. Okay, the skin is still on this as well. So I'm gonna try and flip this. Still a bit warm, so careful. And that's also your other indication. If you cooked your fish properly, you should be able to just peel the skin off like that. A few more bones here. That was a big one. Just gonna flip that over. I'm drooling right now, that's why I'm not talking. Just wanted to spoon over some of this glorious sauce. I'm gonna leave the like wilted green herbs in there though. Those were mostly just for flavor. Little nasturtium. This is how I would plate that for you guys. Might have a little wipe of the plate. Looks a little bit bland, but that's why we're coming in with some color now. So edible flowers, and then I'm gonna do a little bit of basil still. Because like fresh versus kind of heated, you will get different flavor. Lastly, just a garnish of our fancy olive oil. And I'm just gonna go around the plate, because the fish is gonna be super good with that too. We made it, guys. We made it. And I even got the trophy pasta done. It doesn't look nearly as good as the pasta Grannies one, so we'll keep working on it. But man, we still got something at least. Nike? Hi, Nike. Hi, dude. I've missed you. Let's get into the fish first. Oh, The flakiest, like juiciest fish ever. Sablefish, guys. Mmm. You can so taste like the white wine and the lemon we put in the package. Even the scallions and the dill. I think it was smart to do a quick little sear up in the pan before we steamed it. That's too frickin' good, guys. This is just a dish that once I start eating, I won't stop. Some of my favorite things in here. Sam's gonna be so happy. Wow, guys. Yeah, I'm not super happy. Just like to be honest with you guys as well when we review the dish. I wish that I got like a nice, really vibrant pesto. But if it tastes proper, to me, that's more important. Thank you guys all so much for the wonderful weekend of cooking and streaming. It was very successful. Like literally everything turned out, and I am so proud of those pies we made yesterday. So for all of our Americans and people who are getting festive coming up, check back on those recipes, because seriously, that is the best crust recipe, best pecan pie I've ever had. I didn't get to try the apple, and we're trying the pumpkin one tonight, so I'll let you know.
We should have an apple pie for the American Thanksgiving.
Apple pie for American Thanksgiving stream with the smoked turkey. Okay, Mrs. Luscious, thank you for that last minute follow. Okay, guys, thank you for all of the love and support this weekend as well, supporting our goals for the future of this channel. It really does mean a lot. All right, stay safe. Stay healthy wherever you guys are at, and happy Thanksgiving to those of you that are participating. Until next Friday, friends, is the next time we're going to be back. 11 a.m. Pacific, as always. I'm hitting that button. Bye.
Bye.